Hello everyone and welcome to Code with Lisa channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Java on your computer. Java is a popular programming language used for building applications across various platforms such as Intellij. And to develop and run Java applications, you will need the Java Development Kit, or in other words JDK, and sometimes the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. In this tutorial, we will focus on installing the JDK and Intellij. So let's get started. And first of all, we need to download an Intellij, and we need to go to the official JetBrains website. I will leave all the links in the description of this video. And here you can see a different operating systems such as Windows, macOS and Linux. I will download an Intellij for Windows because I have Windows. So we need just click on download button and wait. Here we can see a downloading process of our exe file. And now I want to say a few words about editions of Intellij because there are two editions. The first one is a community edition which is free and open source. And I think that it's perfect for Java and Android development. And there is also an Ultimate Edition is a paid version with additional features for web and enterprise development. We need just a community edition that is free, and we need it just for learning. So we can wait until our exe file will download it. While Intellij is downloading, I'll download a JDK. First of all, we need to select a JDK version, and I will select 21. Then we can select our operating system, Linux, macOS or Windows. I select Windows because I have Windows, and then we just need to click on this link and wait until our JDK will be installed. And now we need to run the installer. So just click here, and if you have a question, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device, you just need to click yes. And then you have to wait a little bit and just to say next. Here you can see the path, and I recommend you don't to change this path. Just click next. And then our JDK will be installed on our computer. And then we have a message, Java Development Kit successfully installed. So we can just close it. And next you need to install an Intellij. The installation process is very simple. You just need to click next and then select all the options. I already have it installed, so I will simply open it. And we have to wait a little bit. And in order to create a new project, you need to click on the Create New Project button. It might be located in the center since there are no projects yet, but for me it's in the top right corner. And here we can see different options. I will explain what means empty project. Empty project doesn't include any settings or configurations, so you need to manually configure everything, including the SDK, libraries and project structure. So that's why we need to select this option, New Project. Here we can select our JDK. I have 21. Then we have to name it, for example, Java Lessons. And then we need to select a location, for example, E. Language is Java, of course, and build system is Intellij. Then we need to press create. And then we have to wait a little bit. Yes, and after the files have synchronized, you need to create a package. You can see here SRK directory or folder, and you need just to press new package. So let's name it lesson 1. Okay, and then we have to create a class, because Java is object-oriented programming language. What that means I will explain you in following lessons, and we have to name it. I will name it main. Then you have to wait a little bit. Okay, and here we can create our first method. We have to write PSV, and then the development environment will give you a suggestion, so you can just press enter. The same thing with sout. Just say enter, and let's print hello world. Hello world. Okay, and after that let's try to run our program. Click the green triangle and run. Our message should appear at the bottom, and if you see it, then we have set up our environment correctly. We have to wait a little bit until our program is building. Okay, and here we can see hello world. So that means that we set up our environment correctly and everything is okay. We will explore the syntax and the environment in more detail in the following lessons. Thank you very much for watching. I hope my video was helpful to you. See you soon. Bye bye.